For today's lesson, we're going to be multiplying decimal fractions by one-digit whole numbers. So I want you to look at these three problems: 31 times 4, 3.1 times 4, and 0.31 times 4. How are these alike? They all use the same digits in the same order. So does that mean they're going to have the same products? We're going to find out, and we're going to use the area model to help us. So I've got three different area models set up here, and we're going to use each problem for each area model. So let's start with A. We have 31 times 4. So I'm going to leave this side and let it represent 4. Then I'm going to have 3 tens and 1 1. So now I just need to multiply. 4 times 3 tens, that would give me 12 tens. And 4 times 1 1 would give me 4 ones. Now I just need to add those partial products. So I have 12 tens. Well, 12 tens, if I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. That's equivalent to 120. And I'm going to add to that 4 ones, which would give me a total of 124. So for A, my answer is 124. I want you to try B on your own. So go ahead and pause this video and work out B using the area model. So for B, I'm going to set it up the same way. I have my 4 to represent this length, and then I'm going to use this as my 3 ones this time, since we're on problem B, and then this will be my 1/10. So 4 times 3, that would give me 12 ones. 4 times 1, that would give me 4 tenths. So to add those partial products up, I would have 12 plus 0.4, or 4 tenths, and that would give me 12.4, or 12 and 4 tenths. So as we're working these out, notice how many decimal places I have in problem B. In problem B, this number has 1 decimal place, and notice what happened to the decimal placement in B in the product. So I know that 124, there's a decimal back here that we don't usually put. And then in 12.4, it looks like it moved up 1 to be in between the 2 and the 4. Notice B has 1 decimal place. Now I want you to work out problem C on your own. Pause this video and use the area model. So I'm going to let this represent 4 as my side length. This is going to become my 3 tenths. And this area is going to represent my 100th. Now I just need to multiply to find these areas. 4 times 3 tenths would give me 12 tenths. And 4 times 100th would give me 4 hundredths. So now I just need to add those partial products. So looking at 12 tenths, I know that 10 tenths gives me 1 whole. So that's 1 whole, and I still have those 2 tenths remaining. So that's 1.2 plus 4 hundredths. That'd be 0.04. When I add those up, I get 1.24. So for C, my answer is 1 and 24 hundredths. How are the products alike? So each digit is in the same order that we can see on our products for A, B, and C. Does that mean they represent the same value? No. So let's just look at the 1. In A, that 1 equals 100. In B, the 1 in our product represents 110. And in C, the 1 in our product is 1, 1. So you can see that even though they're the same digits, they represent different values.